What is force stop on Android? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about what is force stop on Android. So have you ever wondered when your app just get stuck in the middle of your screen, or when your app just simply doesn't get exited whenever you try to click on back button and your app still doesn't work out? So in that case, what you might want to do is just head over to this app's information page just like this and click on this force stop button over here. So what it does actually is it forces you to stop that application by closing it forcibly or abruptly. So it terminates any ongoing processes or task within the app and prevents the app from accessing its cache file or data until the next time it is launched. So you can simply start it just like this and restart the application, which is whichever you're facing the issue of cannot exiting. So that is exactly how you do it, guys, and I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.